The Cordless Dog Water Fountain features high-quality stainless steel construction, making it durable, hygienic, and resistant to rust while adding a sleek and modern touch to your home. With an impressive capacity of 2.1 gallons, this fountain ensures that your pets have a continuous supply of fresh water all day, making it perfect for households with multiple pets or large dogs. Its cordless design provides the convenience of flexible placement, allowing you to position the fountain anywhere your pet needs water, including outdoor spaces. The ultra-quiet pump with multi-layer filtration system ensures clean and pure water, operating silently to maintain a peaceful environment for your pet's drinking experience. Equipped with a smart motion sensor, the fountain automatically activates the water flow when pets approach, ensuring they always have fresh water on demand. Designed with user convenience in mind, the fountain is easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean, making it a practical choice for busy pet owners.